Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Note 9 camera shaking or blurry error. So the issue is when you open up your camera and maybe when you zoom in or go into live focus mode, your camera starts shaking. You can hear that sound, and also the image is blurry. So an easy method to fix this problem, because right now Samsung has not released any update to fix the problem. I heard in some regions they have, but I'm not sure. My Note 9 still has the problem. So what you want to do is, for example, this is your phone. You should make this movement, move it down and up in a quick motion. Do it like that and the shaking should stop and the image should be clear. I'm going to do that on my phone right now. So basically it's shaking right now and the image is blurry. What I'm going to do is move it down then up in a quick motion. There you go. So the image is clear now and the shaking has also stopped. So I'm going to take a demo picture to show that the image is clear. There you go. So I took the picture in live focus mode and the image is clear. So basically that's just a temporary fix on how to that's a temporary method on how to fix the problem. I hope Samsung comes up with a solution or an update to fix the problem, but for now, if you want to fix the problem yourself, just use this easy and simple method. Thank you guys for watching this video. If it was helpful in what you are looking for, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.